Yo, what's going on? So today we got a video by CK Bodycam, and the title of the video is "Cop's Patience Runs Out When She Does This." Let's see what is going on, man. Let's see, man.
This officer wasn't expecting her to escape twice.
Really? She's running again. She's running again. Are you fucking serious?
On July 24, 2024, officers responded to a shoplifting in progress at Walmart.
Go ahead and step away from that. Put your hands behind your back. You guys are both being detained. Did you mind as well? Get out and lay on your back. Lay on your back. Lay on your back.
Oh my God, she sucks at running. She ran in a circle and fell. Like, you ain't even, come on. If you gonna run away, run and then start weaving and wobbling. So that way, you know, he wouldn't be able to, you know, actually take, he don't know. You just gonna run in a circle and go, come on, man. Yo, you suck at running. Like, come on, man. What the heck?
Responded to a shoplifting in progress at Walmart.
Go ahead and step away from that. Put your hands around your back.
Split from your friend and take off and weave and wob. Bob and weave, take off. They split. Okay, boom. Come on.
Get out and lay on your back. Lay on your back. Lay on your back. Tell them that I'm fighting one.
I'm not fighting you.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Don't quit moving. Quit trying to get up.
I'm not.
You want some help?
No.
Yeah.
No, get off of me. I can't. No.
I'll just switch it over on camera right now, hopefully.
Yeah, you ran away from me.
I didn't run.
Yes, you did.
I didn't, son.
Now, why did I have to tase you twice?
I never ran.
It's all on camera. It's fine.
Yeah, them things never stay on. Thank you.
You don't have any ID on you, do you?
Correct.
You gonna tell me your ID? Like who you are? What's that? Yeah, we are. You gonna tell me your name? Okay, that's fine. You go as a Jane Doe. I have no problem with that. You sure you don't want to give me information? If you don't, it's an extra charge. I have no problem doing that. It's failure to identify to a police officer. You don't have to answer any other questions. You just have to tell me first name, last name, date of birth, and an address. Okay. You say Rodney? Middle initial? E? And then last name?
G-I.
G-I?
L-L.
L-L? I-S. And date of birth? Alright, just so you know, the medics are going to come here and check you out, okay?
Okay.
Hello. Morning. So she said her name is Rodney Gillis. I haven't verified that for sure, but I tased her twice, chased her around over here, and I tackled her, so...
What girl is named Rodney, man?
Yeah,
come on, man. You know that's fake.
Backseat.
Are we taking her?
No, just, well, yeah.
Hi, Rodney. Morning.
Just taking out the probes and...
Yeah, step out. I'm going to take the probes out.
I'll just make sure because that way, I don't think we'll take a lot.
You want to take your blood pressure real quick, okay?
We,
yeah, I was gonna...
Yeah, go ahead and just stand still. I'm going to have the officer bring that back up on your hand, and I'm going to get all these wires off of you. Don't do anything silly now. You already had one round of that, right?
I have though. I was gonna say.
Are you guys good here? I'm gonna go help them out down there. All right.
Yeah. I think it's just yeah. It sounds like it hits get started somewhere else, but. Let me get this little string.
Did you guys chase her over here?
No.
I just chased her around the car.
Tango 212 for traffic complaint at 9295 North Main. Tango 212.
Ain't no way she taking off in handcuffs.
Dodge truck, black in color, 2 Dixie, Scaffity, it is expired. And
Really? She's running again. She's running again.
Oh, she
Are you
slipped her
fucking
cuff.
serious?
She fast
More units
though.
out here now. She's running to the tree line.
I ain't gonna lie, the cop fast too though.
Running to the tree line, heading towards.
Cop in shape. Okay. Oh damn.
She's in the trees.
Oh come on.
Seriously?
I don't want to go to jail.
You are going to jail now. Don't move. I will just tase you again, okay?
Tango 210 clear.
Bro, she is. Oh my god. She is the worst. Worst criminal. Like, honestly, it's like you had 2 chances to get away. The first time you had a decent shot. I ain't gonna lie, cause it was 2 of y'all, and y'all split. You had a decent shot. Now this time you was out. I ain't gonna lie, she was out. That cop he had to really haul ass and catch up. You know what I'm saying? He had to really which I give him credit. He was out. Like, I ain't gonna lie, he was doing this thing too. But you run into the bushes, like you think now you gotta fight through the terrain to get through. Come on, man. Just run to the street and try to hop over a gate or something, or what? Like, come on, man. Running in the woods is kind of like, well, those type of woods, because it's just all like sticks and stuff. They all too close together. There's really no path for you to kind of run once you get up in there. So you get up in there, you just stuck. Come on, man. That's horrible. She wasn't gonna get away neither way, but at least, give a try. Something like you run into the bushes. Like, come on, man. First you run into the car, and now you run into the bushes. Like, come on, man.
Put your other hand behind your back. Put your other hand behind your back. I'm not doing this game, okay? Put your other hand behind your back. You're fine.
Man, nails look good too, man. She ruining her.
You ran from me twice.
Sorry.
Twice.
This is the first
I don't.
time.
I'm over here. Stop.
Okay.
Stop.
Okay.
Relax
Okay.
and stop.
Okay.
As soon as I get you cuffed, I will let you up.
Okay. I'm sorry.
You ran from me twice now.
No, I didn't.
What the fuck did you just do? Huh?
I didn't run twice.
Oh, bullshit. I'm charging with everything I can get.
Why?
What did you just do? What did you just do?
I'm just scared.
Oh, whatever.
Scared? That's bullshit. Easy. All right, here, I got her. Take the radio.
Fucking hurt my foot.
I told him to kill me. Well, we ain't gonna kill you. No, just leave her. She'll walk.
Right, because that shit hurt.
Stand.
I will walk.
Come on.
Okay, I'm not sure.
See, those type of woods, you can't even.
Any of this worth all this?
Hell no. Fuck no.
Pretty sure escape's gonna be another felony.
Yep, and I'm charging with that.
In cuffs and running.
Please don't tell me.
No, I am. I am. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. You're not going to be able to beg your way out of it. I am charging you with it.
Oh, you're gonna get charged with anything we can think of for the detectives. I did that job for. I'll find it.
Well, what the hell did I do?
You ran after
Twice.
you got arrested.
You resisted. You stole.
I'll show you one thing at
I didn't
828.
steal anything.
Yeah, well, yeah.
The two carts you pushed out weren't anything?
That wasn't mine.
Oh, well, you pushed them out. All right, you've had enough rest. Let's go. I gave you more rest than I gave me. I stood like you.
You're clear, one thing at 828.
Right there, guys.
I need to look like I was hurt pretty bad, huh?
You all right?
Yeah, I'm good. I fell too.
I give that cop credit. He did his thing. I ain't
No,
gonna lie.
she gave me her information though.
He earned his money today.
She fucking pissed me off. She didn't want to give me it initially, then I threatened her with
We just gonna hit her with everything, obstructing,
oh, yeah.
resisting,
escape. If I can get escape.
theft, and then what?
It's probably gonna be a felony theft because they had 2 full carts.
Hit her with everything.
Yeah, I am.
The woman was charged with resisting arrest as well as felony theft and escape charges.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.